Hello, so today I'm gonna unbox three BTS Japanese albums. I have two versions of Map of the Soul, Seven the Journey, and uh, Face Yourself, which are the last three that I wanted. Alright, let's do this one first. So this is just the regular jewel case version. I'm a little upset. It's awful friggin' beaten up back here. Yeah, it came pretty beaten up. They didn't protect it very well on the way here. Let's open it. I mostly just wanted the, I know it doesn't come with an, ooh, jeez. I like how the track list is on the disc. I mostly wanted it because of the cover. I really like the cover. I know it doesn't really come with anything special, but I thought it was very pretty. I love the whole person of smoke. Lyrics. I don't know if there's any pictures in this or not. Looks like there's one. Yep. Just similar to the photo book version that I have. Oh. They got singular pictures. That's cool. Yeah. Nothing too special, but in my opinion, it's still worth getting. I just really like the art and the smoke behind it too. Wish it didn't come beaten up. Alright. So this one is, hold on, let me look on the side, version C. And I think that this is the one that just comes with the CD and a photo book. Yes, because there's no DVD stuff on the back. The other one has that. Okay. I just really like their outfits, so I knew I would want the photo book. Oh, this came with the jewel case version that I have of it as well. It's set up kind of the same as their others. I like that sleek black disc. Oh, and here's the, I don't know if I showed this yet. They're empty chairs. Alright, so I think this is the front. Oh no, Jimmy's in the crack. Oh. Well, that's cool. I like how it says their names. Oh. I really like this. I'm glad I got it. Oh. So is Jin next? Yep. I love it. I love when those two take pictures together. Oh. Oh my goodness. He looks so handsome. They all do. I like it. Alright, I'll set that to the side here. Alright, and the last one, this is version, oh goodness. Oh, hey. So this is the one that comes with the, well, I got the Blu-ray. I don't need Blu-ray, but it was cheaper than the DVD one. For whatever reason. It seems like that should be the other way around. There are empty chairs again on the back. This one is here. Empty chairs. Wait, so is that? Okay, so that's the back and this is the front. Oh my goodness. I'm clearly having a time. That again. Oh, are these? Oh, they're stickers. I didn't know I'd get some stickers. I love them. Oh, those are cute. I love it. I love it. Okay. So, let's see which is which. This says CD, and then the Blu-ray is gray. And special back there. So this must be like a mini photo book. If it has any pictures, I'm assuming they're probably the same ones. So this is everything that's on the Blu-ray. I definitely wanted the Blu-ray. Yay. Well, I think these are different. Ever so slightly different, but different. Ah! Those boots. Ooh, I like that. Yeah, the pictures are ever so slightly different. Alright, yeah. Thank you for watching.